Ever fumble with cash while juggling a delicious plate of pad thai and a steaming cup of bubble tea? Yeah, us too. That's why GrabPay is a game changer. So, you're ready to ditch the wallet and embrace the future of cashless payments? Perfect. GrabPay lets you pay for rides, food deliveries, bills, groceries, and practically everything else under the Southeast Asian sun, all from your phone. Step 1. Download the Grab app. First things first, you'll need the Grab app. Head on over to the App Store or Google Play and download it for free. Once it's installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up. Step 2. Create your account. Here, you can choose to sign up with your phone number, email address, or even your Facebook account. Pick your poison. After that, enter the verification code sent to your phone or email and create a strong password. Pro tip, make it something memorable but super secure. Step 3. Link your payment method. Now comes the fun part, linking your payment method. GrabPay accepts debit and credit cards, as well as online banking options. Just follow the on-screen prompts to add your preferred method. Step 4. Top up your GrabPay wallet, optional. While linking a payment method lets you pay directly, topping up your GrabPay wallet adds an extra layer of convenience. Think of it like preloading your phone with virtual cash. To top up, navigate to the GrabPay wallet section in the app and choose your preferred top-up method. Step 5. Start using GrabPay. That's it. You're officially a GrabPay pro. Now, whenever you hail a ride, order food, or see the GrabPay logo at a store, simply choose GrabPay as your payment method and enter your PIN for smooth sailing. From avoiding ATM queues to earning Grab Rewards points, GrabPay makes life so much easier. So ditch the cash, embrace the digital age, and experience the convenience of GrabPay. Call to action. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite thing is about using GrabPay. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks to make your life in Southeast Asia a breeze. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.